What is up, my friends? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to learn quickly from YouTube without actually watching videos on YouTube. So let's jump in. And this video is for ChatGPT Plus users because we're going to use GPT-4 together with plugins option. So again, to enable plugins, you just go to chatopenai.com. And then from the menu on top, you select GPT-4 and click on plugins. And the plugin we're gonna use is called Video Insights. I already have it on my list here, but if you don't have it installed, you just go to the plugin store and wait when it loads. And Video Insight is popular enough to be on the popular tab. You just go to the second page and you find Video Insights here. As you can see, I've got already installed because I see only uninstall. And if you can't find it, or if it's removed from popular, you just use the search bar and type Video Insights here. Once you've done that, you just go to the list of installed plugins. You can see you can use up to 3 plugins at once, but we'll use only Video Insights. So let's just click here and we see the logo, which means that Video Insights is now enabled on our ChatGPT. Go to YouTube and let's just use another tab and go to YouTube. And I'm just going to show you how I use it. So today I want to learn about vector databases. So I go to the search bar and I like 20 minutes long videos. And I already saw a little bit from this video, which looks very solid. So let me just click on this video and stop it and copy the link to that video. And how I'm going to use this link with ChatGPT is basically summarize the video. And I want to stop for a second about this very short prompt, which is a very poor prompt, but let me just use it for now. So I just click enter and wait a second, and ChatGPT detects that I'm using YouTube video, and it automatically uses Video Insights. And now it provides me with a short summary. Okay, we've got the summary, and at the beginning of this video, I promised that I will show you how to learn with YouTube. And with this summary, we do not actually learn anything. It just tells us what about the video was, and then it gives us some metadata that it was, when was it published, current views and likes and comments. And at the end, we also see the current limitation of the plugin we're using, which says that video is longer than 10 minutes. And the more detailed summary or transcript may not be available due to the current limitations, which is okay. I mean, it's not perfect, but we are very, very early when it comes to ChatGPT plugins. Let's just live with that for now. So I showed you this output only to prove my point that this prompt was very poor. And the quality of the output that we get from ChatGPT is dependent from our input. And because this prompt was so lazy and so bad, we got only a general description of the video and some metadata. So now let me show you how to use ChatGPT with YouTube for learning the right way. And for that, we will need a much much better prompt. And I'll just open a new ChatGPT window because I don't want to get it mixed up with this content. So let's just move to a new tab and I repeat the steps. So I enable the plugins and it usually remembers my last choice of plugins. And so Video Insights is already activated. And let me just copy paste a prompt I've prepared. And let's focus on it for a second. Let me explain why this prompt is so much better than the previous one. And the most important part of this prompt is that it is much more specific. In prompt engineering, being specific is a very good habit to have. And so let me just tell you what I've specified. First, I said who I am. I'm an aspiring prompt engineer and I'm learning about vector databases. And then I'm giving the same link I've given before. I'm specifying another thing. Help me learn from that video. So this is my request. And then I describe how I actually learn. What's my favorite style of learning? And I said, I learn best through examples and accurate real-life analogies. Also, I love simple language and simple terms. This is crucial for me because I don't really understand too much jargon, especially when I'm a beginner at something. And because I already know some basics about vector databases, I've specified some questions. Let's see our improved prompt in action. So I press enter and again, I expect ChatGPT to detect a YouTube video and to use Video Insights plugin, which it does. Let's wait for the output now. Awesome, we've got the output and I like how it's formatted because I've got my bulleted list and it's bold to highlight the most important parts like the sections. So it already looks very nice. And the important part is that it answers all of the questions. It asks them, it repeats the question at the beginning, which is also much better for reading. So let me just quickly skim through both the answers. Let's compare them. I'll just get rid of that video. Okay, simple prompt, some data about the video and like the outline of the video. No information, nothing to learn from actually. And on this side, we've got a solid, well-prepared prompt with some great questions that also required some preparation. But then we've got the answer well-structured and well-formatted and with simple language, examples, analogies, and something actually to learn from. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned how to use ChatGPT to learn from YouTube. And I see you in the next video. Cheers.